welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tasha aka Nana Berry. Today we're gonna be having a travel day with me. Meaning we're gonna be packing, we're gonna be going to the airport, we're gonna be traveling, we're gonna be going there. And where am I going? I am going to Texas. I'm gonna be meeting my mom. I haven't seen her in about a year and some months. I'm going back home because almost all of my aunts are there. They came to visit, both from Zim and from other countries, so I just wanted to go visit them for a weekend, meaning I don't really have to pack that much. I've already started packing just so that we we start on some sort of basis, but I'm left with my gadgets, my skincare, stuff like that, so I still need to pack that stuff. But other than that, that's the video, that's the introduction. And also look at my hair, I removed everything else. If you've seen my birthday haul, you've already seen that I'm rocking this, but I feel like I'm growing into it, you know what I'm saying? I'm growing into it, which I feel. But yeah, let's get packing because I'm supposed to leave in the next 30 minutes, so we're on a time crunch already. I don't know why I always do last minute. It is what it is though, so let's go. Okay, starting us off, I'm gonna be packing all of the necessary documents and electronics. I'm still gonna be working through my flight and when I'm there on Friday. So by the way, it's Thursday today. It's Thursday, but yeah, iPad, definitely, it was charging. My laptop for sure, power bank, earpods, my notebook, my keyboard, my headphones, oh yeah, my earbuds. I feel like almost everything is in here already, so I'm just gonna put it in there. Okay, charger. Do not forget your charger for your laptop. I do this almost every single day. Okay, this cable. Might as well get as many cables as you can, primarily because when you're traveling, you're so stressed that you forget other things that are important. So I recommend like investing in a good, now I'm saying, you feel me, like good cables. Anyway, my phone did die in Mexico. If you have seen that vlog, I'm gonna be taking this home because it is insured in the US. They cannot change it here, so I have to go back home for my mom to be able to replace it and stuff. Like, it's a whole thing. But I have my light too, to be. Also, look at this cute ass bag. Like, I bought it in Mexico and I couldn't show it on like a vlog because like at the time I was already pissed off. But this is what she looks like. And I get a compliment almost every single day. I'm just saying. Just joking. Just joking. Okay, documents. Good thing is everything is together. Oh, this thing is still in its... But passport and your study permit. Do not forget to carry those two out of all of the documents you need, because there are sometimes where you pass by immigration and they're like, oh, can I see? Sometimes they don't even bother, sometimes they do. You don't want to be risked when they actually do end up doing it. So might as well. Okay, what else? I feel like I'm missing something, and when I feel like this, it means I've missed something. You know what I mean? But anyway, we're gonna put this to the side. I think that is majority of the items that I need for myself in there. I am going to be packing the rest of the stuff I need in my suitcase, and also showing you guys what my suitcase looks like, because I feel like I always rush and I don't explain, so I'm gonna be explaining. Okay, so I'm gonna be traveling with these two bags. This one is complimentary, and then this is my carry-on, and I'm gonna show you guys what is inside these. Okay, so opening this one, doesn't have much stuff. This is my stuff and some of the merch I bought for my parents. There's a jean and a top for shopping when I'm there. I'm not carrying that much because it's my mother's house. I'm not going with a bunch of stuff. There's a dress there, a dress here, and a top for the jean and a short to sleep in. That's it. The rest of this stuff is not mine. It's for some people. Okay, and I need to pack in undergarments, skincare, and roll-on. I never go anywhere without roll-on. God forbid, I never go anywhere without it. So I'm gonna pack that and a perfume for the flight, because what if I make my airport crush? Like anyway, let's get into it. Okay guys, for my skincare, I'm trying not to complicate my skincare routine. To be honest, I do not want to do that, so I am going to carry my toner, my lotion, what is in there? This I don't know anymore. Yeah, and my sunscreen. These three items. I don't want to complicate. Plus, did you know my skin actually clears up a lot more when I go to America than it's crazy. Every single time I go to America, my skin comes back and then it goes back to something like this. I don't know, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna carry a little bit of makeup too because we have a dinner. If you saw the TikTok, you're helping me decide my dress. But those are the dresses I packed for the dinner. And yeah, let me pack a little bit of makeup, not too much. Okay, we're gonna go with the foundation. We're gonna go with a blush. I think it's beautiful, the color, but I feel like I like a little bit of a mixed tone one, which is why I have Miss Yummy right here. But look at her, she is hitting 10 and worse. We're gonna use it till she's done. Concealer, definitely. Have you guys seen my under eyes? That's crazy. I can't like my eye bags go crazy. This blood this highlighter, because I love the way it just shines on my skin. A beauty blender like this, a powder pad just like that. The powder itself, we cannot survive without that. I don't even know where I'm putting these. I'm just putting them aside. I'm gonna pack them aside, don't worry. I have 2 setting sprays with me. This one is a Korean one and this one is one size. One size she's been eating. I don't joke about my setting spray though. And eyebrows. My makeup is dirty because it's not arranged. Don't judge me, okay? This is blemishing oil. I'm gonna take it because my mom will actually kick my ass if I don't. So I don't think I need like too much primer or whatever, because if you have a good skincare prep. And if we're going for dinner tonight, I always put this red and black lip combo. It always eats every single time. Maybe I might need it. And a lip gloss. Let's not overpack. A lip gloss. Where's the lip gloss? Okay, so fun thing about the suitcase, it comes with a removable liquids compartment that is built into the suitcase. So this is what I'm gonna be using to pack most of this. This is what she looks like. Her name is Traveler's Choice. I don't think I've ever used this before. You see, it has a paper inside. This is how big it is. I don't know if it'll be able to hold all the liquids, but I'm just gonna put most of my makeup in here for sure. Okay, so that doesn't leak out. And do I have a lid for my... Yes, I do. For my foundation. Okay, good. Now I'm sure it won't leak. Right, but I'm just gonna put everything else in here now. This is most of my makeup in here. Oh, it looks nice. Oh, it actually looks nice, but this is most of my makeup in here. I'm gonna try and put some more. See if my skincare can fit. That'll be great. The big bottle. Okay. If CeraVe fits in here, this is goated. I can't lie. Wait, let me close it first. You don't want it. Make sure. Aha! It fit everything. Oh my god. Okay, perfect. Perfect. I can't. But this is... It's not closing. Is the zip loose? No, you can't be doing that, man. Anyway, doesn't matter. But this is my makeup / skincare bag, and we're gonna pack this in right now. Also, I was about to forget underwear. It's crazy. Okay, this is a bag of accessories that I had in Cancun. I just never really used it, and I need accessories for tonight, so that's going with me. Okay, to show you guys what I packed in this carry-on, because I didn't pack it with you guys. This is full of merch for my family. If you saw my TikTok, you'd know that I bought about 25 pieces of merch to bring to my family. Why so many? I have a big family too, but mostly because it's also going back to Zim. This is t-shirts, crew necks, hoodies, for a lot of people, and then some merch like cups and shit, like it's also somewhere there. So I didn't want to lose these in case they lost my bag, so I just put them all in here. Okay, this is what the holy triage of my bags looks like. I like it. Yeah, solid. I like the bag especially. She's such a slay. This is the outfit for the airport. I bought these jeans from Fashion Nova. Yeah, she really does her thing. I bought this top from Shein, and I'm gonna be wearing these sneakers, my green birthday sneakers, at the airport right here, and a green zip up. I trust this zip up so much. It takes me through so much in life, and I'm grateful. So this is my outfit for the trip. I've already ordered. My lift is about to arrive. Everything else is packed so far. I still do feel like I'm missing something, so that's a thing. But yeah, I'm ready to go. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. You feel me? This is a cold fit. You know what I'm saying? Okay, this pin does not really give the vibes, but like I like it, so it's staying on. But this is my outfit. Okay, I found all my jewelry. I thought I'd lost it, but this is all jewelry I'm wearing today. And sunglasses, which I'll show you guys when I'm putting this stuff on. But let's go. Okay guys, I am done. My bags are packed. I am packed up. And my Uber is here. So let's go.